Hello. This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library here to bring you a recipe from Maangchi's Big Book of Korean Cooking, available at any of your local library branches. For today's recipe, we will be making Maangchi's stir-fried potatoes and ham, which is often a side dish. For your ingredients, you are going to need vegetable oil, Yukon Gold potatoes, garlic cloves, a medium onion, cooked ham, small carrot, soy sauce, sugar, and sesame oil. For step 1, you're going to heat your vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is ready, for step 2, you're going to add in your garlic and your cubed potato, stirring until the potato begins to cook through. This takes about 3 minutes. For step 3, we add in our onion, carrot, and ham, and we cook, stirring until the onion begins to become translucent. This will take about another 3 minutes. This is where cooking in a deep pan will come in handy to prevent your ingredients from coming out. For step 4, you're going to add your soy sauce, sugar, and half a cup of water. Make sure to mix it up well, and then you will cover, reduce your heat to low, and cook for another 3 minutes. For step 5, you uncover and increase your heat to medium-high, stirring until your potato is fully cooked and everything looks a bit glazed, which takes about 7 to 8 minutes. For step 6, once everything has a nice shine to it, and the potato isn't mushy but has a nice crust to it, go ahead and stir in your sesame oil right before you serve. Then enjoy! Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.